This is MagicBooks AI. It's 100% online. No download, no setup. From here, you can create kids book, storybook, business books, and cookbook, journals, comic, literally anything you want. Click create new books, enter keyword, choose a language, pick up a book type, and click generate. That's it. In second, AI create the content, image, layout, and the book cover. No writing and no designing. You can edit AI voice, video, button, links, and even URL code. The book can literally talk to the reader. When you are done, publish it. You can sell it on Amazon, Etsy, or Gumroad. Your added affiliate link or sell books for client. This is perfect for beginners, creators, freelancers, teachers, and anyone who want to publish fast. You don't need experience, just an idea. If you want to create next level interactive books in a minute, check out MagicBooks AI, the link in the description. And this is my results from create and selling these ebooks on Gumroad. This is my real results. Get started today. Click in the link in description and get access to MagicBooks AI. See you the next one.